In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Manus AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the process confidently. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your account is permanent. Once it's done, you'll lose access to your data, preferences, and any content associated with that account, so proceed only if you're sure. Start by opening Manus AI and signing in to your account. Use the same login method you normally use. If the platform asks for two-factor authentication, complete that prompt. A stable internet connection helps ensure each step saves correctly. Next, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found by clicking your profile picture or a gear icon, often in the top right corner on desktop. If you're on mobile, look for a menu icon and then choose Settings. Once you're in Settings, you're in the right place to manage your account details. Within Settings, locate the area labeled Account Management or Privacy. Different platforms use slightly different wording, so it might also appear as Security, Data, and Privacy, or simply Account. You're looking for the place that controls ownership and removal of your account, not just notification or display preferences. Now select the option to delete your Manus AI account. The label might read Delete Account, Close Account, or Remove Account. If you see both deactivate and delete, keep in mind that deactivation is usually temporary, while deletion is permanent. Choose the option that clearly indicates permanent removal. Follow the on-screen confirmation steps carefully. You may be asked to re-enter your password, acknowledge that your data will be removed, or check boxes confirming you understand the consequences. Some interfaces require you to type a specific word to proceed. Take a moment to read each prompt so you don't miss anything important. When prompted, confirm that you want to permanently delete the account. The final button may say permanently delete, confirm, or continue. Once you click it, your request will be submitted. You may be signed out right away, and the deletion process may complete immediately or begin processing in the background. Finally, check for a confirmation message or email. You might see an on-screen confirmation immediately, and an email should arrive shortly afterward. Look in your inbox and spam or junk folders. Keep that confirmation for your records. If it doesn't appear after a few minutes, refresh your inbox and give it a bit more time. That's it. You've successfully navigated the full process of permanently deleting your Manus AI account.